I've been here about 6 years.
I've been here for 14 years.
I worked here for 4 years.
I've been here for 7 years.
I've been here going on 3 months. When I moved to Minnesota, I saw that RBA was hiring, and I thought it would be a good fit because I've worked for Andersen in the past and had a really good experience.
When I first started, it was, difficult, but then as soon as you learn your lines, it got easier.
You get a good amount of breaks between your days, so you get some hard work, but you get some light work mixed in, so it's a good balance.
We switch out jobs every 2 hours, so every time we take a break, we get to do a new job for the next 2 hours, so we rotate constantly.
I am in the assembly line, in the sash side, and that line is really fast, so it keeps me busy all day.
It's a little strenuous at times, but I like that. It makes my day go by fast.
I'm one of them people who loves physical stuff.
You do the hard work and then will make your body fit.
You're getting paid to work out.
Let's start with some warm-ups. Let's start with back stretches.
We do our daily stretches now just to kind of get everyone warmed up and ready for their day.
And everybody enjoy it because that is a part of our safety for ourselves.
We have strict guidelines that we have to follow.
They require us to wear face masks, glasses, and then earplugs.
Placed around every machine or work area, you'll find foam mats around. It helps a lot.
It is a good company to work for. They care about their employees. I personally love that everybody works as a team.
When I would struggle, crew leads would come over and they give me tips and pointers.
They explain to you how to do it. You make mistakes, they're going to be there to help you.
Everybody seems to pitch in and help everybody.
I wouldn't ask to be anywhere else.
I don't look at it as a job here at Renewal. Look at it as more of a community.
What I liked about Renewal by Andersen is it offers so many different perks than a lot of different companies.
Andersen has a benefit program that's unbelievable.
It has better benefits than any other company that I worked for before.
The insurance is good, it's affordable.
Oh, profit sharing is absolutely fabulous.
As far as your 401k, they set you up to retire.
Excellent retirement plan, great wages, good benefits, and the people I work with are really nice people.
I see a lot of opportunity for growth here.
They take care of their employees. They treat you like your family.
I've never worked for a company that's been this good.
Thought it was just another job, but they showed me that it was more of a career here.